Okay, I know that we've had to wait quite some time for our Sophie and Toffee boxes to arrive, but they are pumping out in full swing because, girl, April has arrived. I only just had February and March. I'm going to be busy. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I am cracking open April's Sophie and Toffee Elves Box. How are you getting on with your March box if you received it? How are you getting on with your February box? If you haven't yet received any of those, don't worry, they are on their way. Obviously, due to the whole coronavirus thing, it's meant that a lot of things have had to be put on hold, are being delayed. You've just got to have some patience. That's all that I'm saying. So sit tight. It is on the way. Those of you who have received your boxes, do let me know down below how you are getting on, particularly with the March box, because girl, that for me was a struggle. Me and Wyatt are just not going to be the best of friends. So let's see what we have inside of the April box. I am very, very intrigued. I think that the theme was something about the sea. I'm not entirely sure. You know what I'm like, I don't like spoilers, so I don't really look into what the themes are or whatever, but they do tend to put the themes on the back of the booklets now, so I think it was something to do with the sea, something like that. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, let's pop our hands in and take out the beautiful box. Let's see, have we got any card in there? No? Okay, let's pop that in there. Hopefully I have a booklet inside of this box this time, because I know that there's been a little bit of drama and some people haven't received their booklets inside their boxes. My guess is that it's a bit manic in the office right about now, so sometimes things might get misplaced. It is what it is. But we help each other out here in this community, so if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, I like to do my unboxings blind. So I literally just open up the box, stick my hand in and feel around, and then we just go with that. So I can feel a booklet. Brilliant. I'll pop that over there. I'm not going to look at that just yet. Let's see what we have here. I feel something quite thin. Feels like shaker film, which always makes me happy. Yes, we have shaker film. And we also have, look at these beautiful letters. Oh my God, they're holographic. Oh my gosh. See, when I looked at it this way, it wasn't holographic to me because there wasn't really any light shining on it. But now, oh goodness me. Oh my gosh. Do we have more than one of those? Because obviously most words have more than one of the same letter. So hopefully we have more than one of those. I'm not sure. Ooh, what's this? This is some sort of like bubble effect. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Do you know, I think that JB Cons Creations is going to do an amazing craft with this because she loves anything that's to do with the sea. So girl, if you got this box, I reckon this is going to be one for you. Definitely. Let's see what this is. Oh my God, what is this? What is this? I can't get it open. This is what happens when you have gloves on. You just can't open anything properly. Or hinge of some sort. Maybe that's some sort of hinge mold, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Do these two go together and then sort of open up? Oh my goodness. I think that's what it might be, you know. I think that these two go together a bit like a clam and then just sort of open up like that. I wonder if that's a mirror or something. I don't know. That's cool. I like it. That is so cool. I really like that. I love it. Next. See, this box is a lot more up my street, isn't it? What are you? So we have a little lid here. I imagine that this is for a shaker filling bottle. That's what I'm imagining. One of those squishy bottles that you use to put your oil in so that you can fill up your shaker. So that goes on top. I've always wanted to have one of these. This is brilliant. Apparently, it's much better than using a syringe. So I'm yet to try that. Oh my God, these are adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is going to be the most adorable shaker ever. This is so cute. This really reminds me of Animal Crossing, you know, with like the shells and like the conches. Is that what they're called? Conches? Conch shells? Conch? How do you pronounce it? I don't know. But you know what I mean. Those shells that you find on the beach. That's what it reminds me of. I'm a little bit like everything has to be Animal Crossing themed at the moment because I am loving New Horizons. I've never played Animal Crossing before. It's my very, very first time and I am absolutely loving it. Currently still haven't met Isabel yet. But I only recently found out that you can fly across the different destinations so that you can harvest iron nuggets from other stones over there in order to speed up the process of opening up your shop, okay? I know if you don't play Animal Crossing, that means nothing to you. But those of you who do, you get what I'm talking about, okay? If I'd known that I could have like fast-tracked my way, I'd be a lot further by now, trust me. Anyway, what are you? Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So we have some like, they look like cracked shell pieces, but also some micro marbles that are in there as well. Oh girl, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I love this resin. This is my favorite resin. This is their UV resin, and when it cures, it's kind of like a sort of like semi-hard cure so that it prevents like the shrinkage. So, you know, sometimes you can get some resins that cure so quickly that they just shrink really, really fast. This one, it's a bit slower to cure and it just stays in place a lot better. So this is definitely my favorite one. If ever you go onto the Sophie and Toffee website and you go looking for UV resin, grab that one if you can. It's the one with the pink roses on it. That one's my favorite. What are you? Oh, okay, so we have epoxy resin as well. All right, so that's part B. Where's part A? Are you in here? Yes, fabulous. Okay, so we get 100 grams of epoxy resin as well. That's brilliant. Didn't know that we were getting both. So have we got another mold then? What's this? Oh, this is so ditty. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. But you can use UV resin with it anyway because it's still transparent. Oh, this is going to be like a little clamshell. This is so, so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh my God. We have neon pigments. Oh my God. Okay, we never normally get neon pigments. These are gorgeous. These are beautiful. Oh my good God. A lot of oranges, isn't it? You got like 1, 2, 3, 4 types of orange. Lord, these are gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna have some fun with this. Ah! Is there anything else in the box? Is that everything? I'll take a quick little peek. Loads of packing peanuts in this one. Excellent. Are we ready? Packing peanuts! Finally, loads of packing peanuts. I am super duper happy with this box. The only thing I would say is that I wish that we had more of the letters. Let me just double check, but that looks to me like you only get one of those. Yeah, I think there's only one of those in there. Yep, it's definitely only one because that is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I would love to have written my name with that, but alas, I can't. But that is absolutely stunning. Let's take a quick little peek inside of the booklet. Oh, Treasures of the Sea. Isn't it cute? Isn't that cute? Okay. Ooh. I love the fact that they like big up people who post up on their Instagram and they give them little shout outs in here. And I think that if you win the creative contest, I think you might win a free box. So the winner for this one is Vintacuties Workshop. Vintacuties. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but congratulations. Oh my goodness. I like this books one. This is really, really cool. That was by Night Blossom and Neko Moon Kitty. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. How cute is this? That is so, so sweet. Congratulations to the winners and to the runners up as well. These glow in the dark. I didn't even know. That's amazing. That is amazing. Okay, the premium add-ons are the UV resin, the small seashell locket, and the little like crushed shell embellishments. These are your premium add-ons. Okay, and you've also got the instructions here. We love instructions. We love a bit of instructions. So what with this and with the February box as well, I reckon I'm gonna be busy for like, I don't know, the next 4 months with this box. This is absolutely adorable and I cannot wait to get started. If you make something and you think, do you know what, I reckon that Ayesha would actually quite like to see that, then let me know, okay? I am on Instagram. Feel free to DM me or tag me in your stuff so that I can have a little look. And also, if you've got any questions as well, I'll be more than happy to try my best to help you. Right, I'm off to go and get crafting now. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. And of course, check out the rest of my Sophie and Toffee videos because I've got plenty of stuff on there for you to sink your teeth into. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Mwah. Bye.